Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Knowledge Box and Cooking. Today I'm going to explain ethics and governance issues in advanced financial management. This is for bcom 6th semester students. First we see introduction. An organization's reputation is built on various factors. Ethical standards and governance structure play a central role in shaping and maintaining the reputation. In business, being ethical is like building a trustworthy reputation that makes customers stick around, employees happy, and investors confident, ultimately securing the company's long term success. Let's see fundamental principles. First one, the principle of integrity. This involves presenting financial information truthfully, avoiding manipulation, and ensuring that financial statements accurately reflect the financial health of the organization. Second one, the principle of accountability. Financial accountability requires individuals and organizations to take responsibility for financial decisions and actions. This includes ensuring the financial resources are used efficiently, maintaining budgets, responsibility, and being arrivable for financial outcomes. And third one, the principle of transparency. Transparency involves providing clear and comprehensive information about financial performance and financial managers should communicate openly with stakeholders, including investors and regulators, to build trust and confidence in the organization's financial practices. And the fourth one, the principle of objectivity or fairness. The principle of objectivity requires individuals and organizations to be impartial, unbiased, and free from personal or owned influence when making decisions or providing information. In governance, it ensures that decisions are made without bias and that resources are allocated equitably, contributing to a positive organization culture. And the fifth one, the principle of confidentiality. The principle of confidentiality requires the protection of sensitive and non-public information from unauthorized disclosure. Financial professionals, including accountant and financial advisors, must ensure the confidentiality of financial information to maintain trust and prevent unauthorized access or use. This principle is critical in safeguarding the interests of stakeholders and complying with legal and ethical standards governing data practices protections. And sixth one, the principle of fiduciary duty. Fiduciary duty is a legal and ethical obligation that requires individuals, typically those in position of trust or authority, to act in the best interest of others and place the interest of the beneficiaries above their own. Financial advisors, investment managers, and corporate officers have fiduciary duty to act with the loyalty, honest, and prudence, ensuring that they prioritize the interest of clients, investors, or shareholders over their own.